Have you ever went to Olive Garden, ordered a spaghetti, and wondered, what the heck is this? Well, it's a spoon of course, but what do we actually do with it? And to be honest, we all probably just ignore it. But today, I'm gonna teach you how to use it correctly, and not look like that scribbly Gene over there. So the first things you want to do is you get your fork and stir it up a little bit, and then you get your spoon. After getting your spoon, you put a little bit of the spaghetti onto the spoon as so. Then from here, you twist it like you would normally do. Until you get it tight enough, like a bird's nest. And bam, you got your spaghetti ready to eat. Thanks guys for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And now next time you go to Olive Garden, you know how to eat spaghetti the right way.